Hey Inus, I'm here with Inu today. We went to the convenience store to get 10 different random drinks from a Japanese convenience store in Tokyo. We're going to rank them from S tier to F tier to see which ones you might like and to see which ones you should avoid. I know I've got my picks. Let's go! Alright Inu, so we're going to start out with Kikkoman. Kikkoman, I think it's soy milk. Here you go. Yours at home.
They don't want that. So, Kikkoman, don't they make the soy sauce too?
They do.
Is this gonna taste like?
You would hope so.
Okay.
I never drank soy milk till I came to Japan, and honestly, I started with Kikkoman, and I've liked it ever since. I don't know how you'll feel.
Yeah, I've never had that actually. So, well, we've got our glasses here. I don't know how you're gonna do this.
Okay. Yeah, I never was a bartender, but I thought about it, and that practically makes me one. So here you go, sir. This is what we call in the business one squeeze of Kikkoman.
Okay. Well, it smells like a soy something. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe without spilling it. Whoa! Well, that's a saying.
It looks like milk. Yeah. Don't cry over it.
Well. Tastes like tofu.
Yeah, if you don't like milk, you're not gonna like this. But I'm a big milk fan. I'm a big soy milk fan. Sorry, vegans, or am I? And then I'm gonna go ahead and honestly, the smell might put me off initially, but honestly, I'm gonna put in the A ranking for me. A.
Yeah, I can't. I'm not much of a milk person to begin with, and this honestly tastes the aftertaste. When it comes through my nose, it tastes like clay, kind of. And maybe that's just what soy tastes like, clay. So I'm gonna put this in the D tier.
That works too.
All right, what's next? That looks all fruity and vegetable-y.
Yeah. So Inu, in our line of work, when you're in the hustle and bustle of the Tokyo city, you need your day's worth of vegetables. So this is your ichnichibun of yasai. So 1 day's worth of veggies, allegedly. So one thing I always look at is the thing down here where it's like 100%.
Yeah.
And I'm like, but is this really 100%?
100% of what?
Vegetables.
Right.
As opposed to not. And I don't know what that means, but I like to think that this is helping me be a little healthier in my day. I really feel like I'm in the mud, I'm on the farm right now, picking up with the pig left behind. With my nostrils, and no, it's not doing it for me. But taste-wise, it goes down easily for me. I'm gonna put it as a solid B. It's a solid B for me.
This is a B for you.
This is a B. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. And that's about where I stand.
And I think that's the difference for me is that if we're just talking taste, I would immediately put it in C. Better than the soy milk for sure. Yeah, I'll also put it in the B tier for that reason.
B tier, because
we've got some milk tea.
Oishi, it says.
Oishi milk tea. Well, we'll see about that.
So milk tea is another one where I never had it until I came to Japan. Yeah. Do they even have it in America? Yeah, milk tea is really hard to describe.
Oh, no.
Plus, I think that it's contaminated a little.
But my problem is, and I've had milk.
It's also watery. Almost.
Yeah, that's what I feel like. Like, smelling it and looking at it, you're like, oh, cafe latte, and oh, it's going to be sweet. It's totally not. Oh, that was hard. That's a D for me.
I think it's going in my C. This is going to be a C for me.
Yeah. Bring. Well, on to our next one, which...
Okay, no S's yet.
Yeah.
But the next one's solid. Just green tea.
By Ito N, the same as his other
same
ones.
makers. So if this child was their failure, this was their magnum opus. And this is a warm one. You can get them warm or cold. Oh, yeah. It's like hot ones, but drink ones. Ugh. This is tea. This isn't the tea. This isn't your sister's tea. This is your grandma's tea. This is the tea that, fresh out of her sock drawer. It's got a strong smell, but also it feels, for me, very healthy and cleanly. Almost detoxing.
Okay. Yeah, if I think of that as I drink it, then...
Especially the warm ones. I don't think I like the cold ones as much, but I know kids here in Japan really like the cold ones. Again, a strong B. Strong B.
Really? More of a... Yeah. It's a C for me. My thoughts... As I drink this, I'm like, oh, I should be eating sushi too. Because it just pairs really well. So... Yeah, for me it's a C because I would definitely not go out of my way to drink this. All right, on to what I recall is a sweet one.
So I'm anticipating this is my least favorite, but I don't remember. It has been years. This is this is Karupis water. They didn't name it Pisu for no reason. That's my theory. I honestly don't even know what this is, unless you do. Like, what is Karupis?
I don't know.
It says sweet and tangy, made from cultured milk. And I like how it even says karada ni pisu. So
that sounds gross.
Pee in your body. All right, well, I'm going to give myself a very humble portion so I don't die. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no.
That's an A right there.
Yeah, it's medicine for me. This is my D. This is my lowest.
I'm gonna bump it down from an A. If it were carbonated, then it would be an A.
Crazy.
But just the flavor, yeah, I'm gonna go with a B.
I mean, just look at it. Just look at it.
Delicious and refreshing.
Disgusting.
What was it? Fermented milk.
All right, but next we're gonna go with the tried and true Pocari Sweat. I could rank this. Pocari Sweat is the Gatorade of Japan.
Sports drink, right?
Sports drink.
It has ions and...
Orange and watermelon wet and banana bust. But not Pocari. Pocari Sweat's like this. Sweat flavored one. Yeah. And it's good sweat. But they have no other flavors of it. And they don't need no other flavors of it. That's what I think. But I'm going to,
It's probably the idea of just taking water and adding...
Science.
It
adds science to it. Yeah.
Well, it smells like science.
Already, it's a little contaminated by the cow piss, but so it's gonna taste sweet. So I do like this a lot. This is my S tier. I think Pocari, if it weren't, I imagine it's pretty sugary too, like a Gatorade would be, right? When you're sick, doctors even recommend that you rehydrate with this. I guess it has electrolytes. Perhaps.
That's the word I was looking for. Science.
This is my S tier. Big fan. I love me some Pocari. Whoa.
I'm going to give it a B. I was thinking going into it was going to be an A. If it is the summer and you're sweating, it's hot, and that is cold, then I would give it an S easily. It's easy to drink. It's easy to hydrate quickly versus some of these others. B. It's a B for me.
All right, and next we got, this was your choice.
Yeah.
The Zero Cider Triple.
7-Eleven original drink. And they have their own line of those over at 7-Elevens here in Japan. This one has the kanji for milk, I think.
We're drinking a lot of milk today.
It's cider, yeah.
Oh, yeah. And, oh, no. This might be my new... So the bubbles, it's like drinking this, but with bubbles. So making it harder to stomach for me. It like wants to come back up. It's like, no, I don't belong in your body. And
I'm going to give it an A.
Damn, son.
Yep. It's sweet, refreshing, 0 calories, a little yogurty, a little milky.
That's what it is. I guess I'm not a fan of the yogurty.
Yeah, I'm usually not. But maybe because it's clear, that kind of tricks me. I don't know, bodies, milk, yogurt. All right, this one, when I picked it up, I didn't actually read the label entirely. It looks to be the same. It's the same brand as the royal milk tea we had earlier, so I didn't learn my lesson. It's this chocolate tea latte. Ugh. Yeah. So it says chocolate. You can see it says chocolate in big letters right there, and that's all I decided to read. But then I realized it was tea just now.
A lot of milk today.
Yeah.
Oh. But I feel like it Yeah, I'm good.
You want a lot, right?
No,
Yeah.
I'm good. Oh, but this smells so much better. So it's still thick. I feel like I'm making a layer cake of death in my stomach with all these, but
Oh, yeah, but it's chocolatey.
yeah, the chocolatiness smells so much better for me than the sour yogurtiness. That I don't know.
Okay, it's like cocoa, except with a hint of tea, kind of in the aftertaste, right?
So I'm gonna give it a B. I think had I started with it, it might even go to an A. I do like the cocoa-iness of it, but I think I'm unfortunately being swayed by all of the milky yogurtness that came before it.
Yeah.
But otherwise, yeah, it's pretty good. It does taste like cocoa. Pretty much just like a chocolatey drink.
I'm gonna give it an A.
But it's pretty good.
To be honest, though, I would just prefer cocoa.
I'm gonna need a little more time, so you can pour yourself the mango first.
Let me introduce this next one. So here's another. What is this? A mango cider. Now everything in this 7-Eleven original thing is the cider. It's got mangoes on it.
Now I'm good. Woo. So
I don't like the smell.
Mango cider. Oh, it's very tangy. It's definitely very of the nectarine family. You know, mango-y. Orangey. Tangerine. This is like the first one that has, like, we didn't get like any soda, and this is the first one that I'm like, this is soda.
Oh yeah.
All of the rest have been like, I'm drinking yogurt or I'm drinking milk. It's not hitting for me. I gotta go C. C. Yeah.
It's really sweet. I mean, it's soda. I'm gonna go A. I like soda, like sweet things. I like mangoes. It's one of my favorite fruits. If I were going to drink a regular soda, I don't know if I would choose that over some of the regular name brand sodas. Like, would I choose that over a Coke or a Mountain Dew if it were there? Dr. Pepper, kind of tough. That'd be a tough choice.
So before we get to chill out, what was your highest one so far? So for me, I gotta tell you all, again, you gotta go with the Pocari Sweat. If you're like me, or the just the green tea.
Boo.
The green tea and the Pocari have been, they get along well. They've got a solid marriage going on. They're going to be here for a while, and I'll be buying them for a while. Everything else that we had today, I don't think I'll ever buy again. So those two are great. The rest killed me.
All right.
What were yours?
I'm gonna go with
mango.
These
Cocoa's fair. If I hadn't been influenced negatively.
These two, we got the chocolate tea latte, and then we got the mango soda. And I'm gonna throw in Pocari Sweat because when it's summer and it's hot, and you need to rehydrate, and you don't want just regular water because water's lame. Who drinks that? Then I would go with that. Wintertime, if it's if this is hot, then you could sip on that. That'd be really nice. Because you could probably find this, but you probably couldn't find hot cocoa out of a vending machine. Yeah, hit or miss, depends. And this, maybe on occasion.
Ugh, animal. And there are so many drinks out there. Like you said water, but honestly, if we had put like sparkling water, the Tonsons, those are up there for me. Those would have been S or A's.
We didn't get any.
The tonic lemon or just the sparkling water. Have one a day. I don't know if they're healthy or not. I'm still trying to look that up. But
isn't it just water and bubbles?
Yeah, which is supposedly good and bad. Depends for what. I hear it's not so great for your teeth. It could be good for your digestive system. It could be bad. Depends on your current whatever. Anyway, so chill out. Though.
Time to chill out, and not only chill out, but chill out in zero gravity.
These are generally really expensive. This is my first time having one.
How much was this?
I don't know how much it was at the. Oh yeah, 190 yen.
For this size, this is 250 milliliters. So it's about half of this Pocari Sweat, for example. So you want to chill out, you better chill out half of the way. Oh, and that's also 3% of something you can see at the bottom.
And isn't it coffee?
Is it?
I thought it was.
Oh no.
Because I always thought they said chill out coffee. Is this not? Maybe I thought the general chill out drinks were coffee.
No, this is zero gravity.
So then it might be an energy drink, which wouldn't make sense. Or would it?
It has grapes from Australia?
I honestly thought they were.
I have no idea.
I thought the generic chill out was a coffee drink, but I don't know what you got. So that's a lot. That's a lot. We're good.
It looks like a lot, but it is not a lot. You need to chill out. Zero gravity. Oh no. This smell is Flintstones vitamins for kids. Chewable Flintstones vitamins that you would give your kids or eat as kids or as adults.
D or F. It's pretty strong.
Yeah.
It's kind of like, again, I just can't drink so much. It's something that's just so a fluid. Like candy's melted down into like just fluid form. Like just having like Starbursts and Jolly Ranchers and Twizzlers all just melted down into a liquid, strung out with water.
That's what it is. Yeah, that's the chill out part, right?
And that's what I feel like I'm having, and I can't. Like it's just, I feel like I'm drinking poison.
But
yeah,
I'll give it a D for disappointment. For actual
dangerous. I'm gonna die.
D for die. For actual flavor and all that, and I'd give it a D. But for how expensive it is, mysterious it is, and zero gravity, it's in a can, and and then you drink it, and it's like, then that's an F. There's absolutely no way that I'll ever experience this again.
Won't buy that again. I'm kind of surprised that some of these are even still on the shelves. The milk tea, sure, I see people drinking them. The veggie one, sure. Soy milk, sure. But like these, I've never seen anyone purchase any one of these. Except for the copies. Let's just get that. Alright. So that was our 10 random 7-Eleven drink tier list. I'm going to stick to the healthy stuff for a while. But
I just can't do this
good to know.
Again for a while. Yeah. But you have to tell us, what did we miss? Because we walked through 7-Eleven. There are a lot of other drinks out there. We try to get a good variety and not just go directly to our favorites. So if you have any favorites, let us know. Let us know in the comments. We'll go back, give them a shot, see how it goes.
Catch you in the next one, maybe.
Yeah. I gotta pee.